Here is my program for pre-release material May-June 2022. A program to allow a wildlife park to sell tickets. Now I am going to execute it. As per the task 1, we have to display the options, attraction and price for 1 day ticket. Cost of ticket for 1 day um, is having the option from 1 to 7. Option 1, ticket cost for one adult is $20. Option 2, for one senior $16. Option 3, one child $12. Option 4, one family ticket up to 2 adults or senior and 3 children for $60. Option 5, one person cost for group ticket, 6 people or more, $15 per person. Extra attraction, lion feeding, option 6 is for $2.5 per person. Option 7, penguin feeding for one person, $2. Similarly, cost for ticket for 2 consecutive days, option is from 8 to 12, the same sequence, that is one adult, one senior, one child, then one family ticket, then group ticket, then 3 extra attraction from 13 to 15 option. So overall 1 to 5, 15 options are there. Then show the days available for booking, that is available days are from 1 to 7, that is Sunday to Saturday. Now which day we want to book, that is day for booking tickets is from option from 1 to 7. Let me take the option 1, ticket for 1 day or 2 day. Let me take 1 day ticket. Okay, enter the option for 1 day ticket, that is from 1 to 5. So 1 is for one adult, 1 is for adult. So how many adults are there? Let me assume that let me take one adult, and then any more ticket to purchase? Yes. Then let me take one senior also, so option 2, so one senior. Then do you want to purchase more tickets? Yes. Then option 3, that is for child. Let me take child, 2 child. Okay. Then do you want to purchase any more ticket? I am not going to purchase any family ticket or group ticket, so no. So any do you want to purchase any extra attraction available? Yes. Choose the extra attraction option, that is 6 and 7. Only 2 options are there. 6 is for lion feeding and 7 is for penguin feeding. So let me take 6 and 2 tickets for children. Then any more attraction to purchase? Yes. 7 for penguin feeding, 7. Okay, let me take all of them 4 option, 4 persons. Okay, do you want to purchase any more extra? No. Okay, now booking ticket ID is booking ID is 1000. Ticket booking for Sunday, one adult $20, one senior $16, 2 child $24. Lion feeding for 2 person $5, penguin feeding for 4 person $8, total 73. This is the normal data. Okay, now do you want to continue? Yes. Let me take the same. Okay, let me take for Tuesday, day 3, 1 day or 2 day. Let me check for again 1 day. Okay, so first option 1 to 5 is available, 1 is for adult. So now I am going to take one adult. Yes. Then option 2 for one senior. Okay, then yes, I want more ticket. Then option 3 for children. Then 3, let me take 3 childs, okay, because 2 adults are there, 3 is okay. So do you want to purchase many more ticket? No. Then any attraction you want? Okay, yes. 6, let me take for 3 line feeding. Yes, I want more extra. Option 7 for penguin feeding, let me take okay 3. Any more extra attraction? No. So now your booking ID is increased, means incremented to 1001. Ticket booking for Tuesday, 1 adult 20, 1 senior 16, 3 childs 36, and total including extra attraction is $85.5. Your ticket cost for 2 adults and 3 child is 72. Better choice is one family ticket for 60. So in family ticket 2 adults and 3 childs are allowed. So best choice is of one family ticket. So this is the task 3. So task 3, it is set, means working. Now I am going forward to purchase again another ticket. Do you want to continue? Yes. Then let me go. I'm going to for extreme, that is I'm going to book Saturday ticket for 2 consecutive days, 2 days, okay, 2 days. So option is available from 8 to 12, okay. 8 is for adult, option 8 is for adult, 8. So how many numbers of tickets you want? Okay, let me take one adult. Now I am going to check, okay, yes, another ticket, yes. So now I'm going to check whether the validation check for the child is working or not. One adult, 2 childs are allowed for one adult. So now I'm going for to book the child ticket, that is option 10. So now I'm going to put, instead of 2 I'm going to put 3. So it should not accept the option 3. So invalid, and an adult can bring up to 2 child only. So I have to give the valid record, enter the number of child. So okay, now I am going to correct it, 2 child. So now it's okay, it accepted. So validation check for child is working. Now any more ticket to purchase? Okay, let me say no. I will go for extras. Yes, I want extra. So now I booked for 2 days, so 3 options are available. Loin feeding is option 13, so 2 for loin feeding. Yes, I want more extra. 14 for penguin feeding, option 14 for penguin feeding. Let me take 2 for penguin feeding. Any more extra? Yes, I want more extra. Now I am going to put option 15, which is for barbecue. So now barbecue, let me purchase barbecue for 3 child and 1 adult. So 2 child and 1 adult, that is 3. So 3 persons. Okay, do you want any extra? No. Now you see the booking ID has changed from 001 to 1002. Ticket booking for Saturday and Sunday. So that is also working. The weekdays are also working. 1 adult 30, for 2 child 36, and everything is okay. So this is the normal data. Now let me check my task 3 is working or not for 2 consecutive days. Let me book the another ticket. Yes. So which day you want? Let me take, okay, Monday. Yeah, okay, 2 days ticket. Okay, 8 to 9. So 8, option 8. So 8 option is for adult. Let me check how many adults are there. 2 adult. Okay, do you want to purchase any more ticket? Yes. Now option C, 9 is for senior. Let me take 1 senior. And then do you want more ticket to purchase? Yes. So let me take the option 10 for child. Then for child, let me take 6 childs. That is okay. So 6 child. Do you want to purchase any more ticket? No. Any more attraction? Yes, I want attraction. 13 for okay. More attraction? Yes. 14 for penguin feeding. Okay, 5. Okay, yes, more attraction. Yes, 15 for barbecue. So let me take 9 for all the persons. You want many more at ticket to purchase? No. So now booking ID is 1003. Ticket booking for Monday and Tuesday consecutive days. 2 adults 60, 1 senior $24, 6 child $108. Then another extras are there, and total overall cost is $262. Now your see the task 3 is working. Your ticket cost for 3 adults, 2 adult and 1 senior, that is 3 adults, and 6 child is 192. The best choice is 2 family ticket for $180. So task 3 is working properly. So what is left now to check the validation? Okay, let me book one group ticket. Okay, do you want to continue? Yes. So which day you want? Okay, so Sunday. 1 day ticket. Okay, 1 day ticket. Option up to 1 to 3 option is adult, senior and child, and then fourth is family ticket. Now I am going to put 5 the group ticket. So group ticket is allowed for minimum 6 persons. So let me check for 5 person. So it should not accept the 5. So I am putting the 5. So invalid. Only 6 or more people is allowed. Now I am entering. Okay, minimum 6. 6 is accepted. Okay, any more ticket to purchase? No. So any extra to purchase? Yes. Penguin feeding, this is loin feeding is 6, option 6. Loin feeding, let me say it. Okay, 3. Yes, any extra? Yes, 7 for penguin feeding, 2. Okay, now do you want to purchase? No. So see, so that validation for group ticket is also working fine, and family ticket also we can purchase. So yes, in which day? Okay, 5 day 5. Okay, 2 days ticket. If I want to purchase family ticket, 8, 9, 10, 11 is the family ticket. Option 11 is the family ticket. Okay, how many family ticket? 2 family tickets. Okay, so do you want to purchase any more? No. So any extra attraction? Yes. Okay. 13 for 13 is for loin feeding. So 2 family ticket means 4 adults are there, and 3 plus 3 6 children are there. Okay. Okay, 5 loin feeding. Yes. Then option 14 is for penguin feeding. 6 for penguin feeding. Yes. So more extra. Then 15 for barbecue. So barbecue. Okay, whatever it is, 10 barbecue. No, any more? No. So here is the ticket booking for family ticket. It's working fine. So this is how I did my tasks. If any if you find any problem with this code, please give your suggestions. Okay, thank you. Do you want to continue? No.